What's up guys, it's OP Rob here. Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to show you guys quickly how to change the cartridges of a HP OfficeJet 6950. So I have these cartridges that I bought from HP. Well, you know, I've got this instant ink deal with HP, so I get them every month. So these are the ink cartridges, and I'll show you how to change them. First thing you want to do in order to change the ink cartridges for this printer is to turn it on. You can turn it on, you can lift, you know, you've got a button at the end where you basically lift the top up like this, and you can sort of see, you know, the ink cartridges move. Once they've got to this part, what you want to do first is to flick this forward to take it out. Same with that one. That one as well. And obviously you want to replace the new ones in there. So you've got the colors inside. I hope you guys can see you've got the different colors. So you just want to make sure that they go into the right part. It's very key that you do that. Okay, so before you put the cartridges in, there's got this orange thing that says pull. You basically want to pull it off slowly, just be careful, and that should allow you to take off the wrappers. Just be careful not to mess around with these things, because you can it would affect the cartridges, so you just want to be careful, do these things around it. So I'm just going to take all of these off, and you know, do the same again, pull it off. And now you've got this lever. So with this, you basically want to move it clockwise and take it off for all of them as well, clockwise. There we go. And you've got these three, so you can see the colors. You got your pink reddish sort of color, yellow, and you've got your your blue as well. So okay, so this is the red one first, but mine doesn't. I think the label, I must have taken the label off as well. So, but anyway, that's the first one. What you want to do is let me just show you, push this bit in there. So when you put it in, push that bit. Well, this is yellow, so you don't want to do that first. Do blue first, so push that in, and it should go in there. There we go. And yellow. There we go. For the three of those. I've also got to take out the big one as well. So again, push and then lift that up. And this is how the big one comes in. Again, pull, and then sort of just do whatever really. Clockwise. There we go. So pretty big. This way up. Push it in. Okay, so this is what they all look like inside. As you can see, all flat. Make sure it's, you know, all the colors. You got to make sure you have the right colors in there: black and yellow, blue, red. And now you can close it, wait for it to. Yes guys, so when it's finished, basically it's gonna run for a bit, and it's gonna sort of simulate, and once it's complete it comes up with this message: thank you for installing your HP Instant Ink cartridges. And there you go, that's it. Alright guys, so that's how you change the ink cartridges for HP OfficeJet 6950. Alright guys, like, subscribe, comment if you need any help. I'll try to help as much as possible, and I hope this helps somebody out there. Alright guys, peace.